In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an email from a Samsung phone. First, let's begin by opening the email app on your Samsung phone. You can usually find this app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Look for the envelope icon, which represents email. Once you locate it, tap on the icon to open the app. You will be greeted with your inbox displaying all your emails. This is where you manage your messages. Opening the email app is the first crucial step in accessing your emails. It sets the stage for everything that follows. Now that you have the email app open, navigate to the specific email you wish to delete. Your inbox will likely be filled with various messages. Scroll through the list until you find the email you want to get rid of. Tapping on the email opens it up for you to read. This step is important because it allows you to confirm that you are deleting the correct message. Make sure to double-check the sender and subject line. Once you have identified the email, you are ready to move forward with the deletion process. Next, look for the delete option, which is represented by a trash can icon. This icon is usually positioned at the top or bottom of the screen depending on your device settings. Tap on the trash can icon to initiate the deletion. You should notice a brief moment where the app processes your request. This action is essential because it tells your phone that you want to remove that specific email from your inbox. It is always good to ensure you have selected the correct email before hitting delete. At this point, a confirmation prompt may appear asking you to confirm that you want to delete the email. If you see this prompt, simply tap on delete again to confirm your choice. This step is crucial because it prevents accidental deletions. It provides you with a moment to reconsider if you accidentally tap the delete icon. Once you tap delete to confirm, the email will be removed from your inbox. Now that you have successfully deleted the email, take a moment to review your inbox again. You will see that the email you wanted to delete is no longer there. This cleanup helps keep your inbox organized and manageable. An organized inbox is easier to navigate and allows you to focus on important emails. Remember, deleting unwanted emails can save you time in the long run. It ensures that your inbox is filled only with messages that matter. In conclusion, you have just learned how to delete an email from your Samsung phone. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your emails and keep your inbox tidy. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Should you have any further questions, feel free to revisit this video anytime. Happy emailing!